Hello students, how are you? Today again we will start multiple choice questions related to the chapter coordinate geometry. Okay, today we have done near about in 2 days we have done 40 questions. So today we will solve more 20 questions related to multiple choice questions. So already I told you in this chapter how many methods, two methods. One is to find out the distance between these 2 points. If we have to find out distance between these 2 points. PQ, whose coordinate are x2, y2. So distance PQ is equal to under the root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Other is, if there is a point C whose coordinate are x and y and this divide in this ratio m raised to m2 internally. So then finding out x is equal to m1, x2, m2, x1 divide by m1 plus m2. Y, m1, y2, m2, y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is saying section formula. This is saying distance formula. Understood? And this formula become what? Midpoint formula when this ratio equal to 1. So then this reduces into x equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And one more is collinear. Collinear meaning lying on the same line. Understood? If 3 points lying on the same line, so they are collinear. If 2 points in same line, third is like this, so definitely become a triangle. So using that formula, which formula? Area of triangle. This formula is this 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 what's it? x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 0. If they are collinear. If they are not collinear, this is not equal to 0. So this one taking in that side 1 by 2 it also become 0. So directly we are taking this formula. So this is the quick revision of it. If this is equal to 0, it's meaning points are collinear. If this is not equal to 0, then points is non-collinear. And x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are the coordinates of the vertex of these 3 points. So we can start this from question number 41. So try to show as far as possible what's given if the point pxy is at equidistance from the point. So we are having 2 points. We can say one point is this A. What's A? Whose coordinates are 5 and 1. And another is this -1 and 5. And there is a point P whose coordinates are x and y. And we have to find out these coordinates x and y. So first what we can find out? AP we can find out. What's your AP? X minus 5 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. Then find out BP. BP equal to again x minus x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. So both are equal. So we can write this is first, this is second, squaring both sides. So x minus 1 whole square equal to x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Solve it. X square plus 25 minus 10x plus y square plus 1 minus 2y equal to x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 25 minus 10. This cancel this cancel this. Understood? 25 plus 1, 26 minus 10x minus 2y equal to 1 plus 26 plus 2x minus 10y. If you can check, this also cancel. Understood? Bring in this side minus 10x plus minus 2x minus 2y plus 10y is equal to 0. How much? Minus 12x minus plus 8y equal to 0. What's common? Hello students, how are you? We will start this again. As you know, chapter name coordinate geometry, question multiple choice question MCQs. We will start from here. There is a problem in net, that's why we are starting this again. So, starting this again, what written I don't know. So, this question number 41, question number 41. $16? Yeah. Question number 16. So, this saying, so we will start this again. If the point P is equal to this equidistance from this and this, then what's the relationship between x and y? So already we can start like this. We have taken this point. What's the point? P is this, whose coordinate are x and y. And here is a point B, we can say, whose coordinate -1 and 5. And here is another coordinate whose 5 and 1. So little bit change in it directly also I can solve it. This is 5, this is 5, this is 1, this is -1. So total quantity cancel in this way. But I can write, first I can find out AP. AP equal to under the root x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. BP equal to under the root x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Both are equal. AP equal to BPY, equidistance from these points. So, under the root x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Squaring both sides, x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Solve it. X square plus 25 minus 10x plus y square plus 1 minus 2y equal to x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 25 minus 10y. So you can look 5, 1, minus 1, 5. So constant quantity definitely cancels. So x square cancel x square, y square cancel y square, 25 plus 1, 26, minus 10x minus 2y is equal to 1 plus 25, 26 plus 2x minus 10y. You can check this. Definitely they are cancelled. Bring 2 in this side. So minus 12x minus this plus become plus 8y equal to 0. So what's common? Minus 4 is common. How much left? 3x minus 2y is equal to 0. So what is this? This bring in this side, this become 3x minus 2y equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 2y. So what's your answer? This is your answer. Got it? Simple. Next, if the centroid of a triangle found by these points is at this centroid, what's the formula for find the centroid of a triangle? This is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 is equal to the x coordinate of that centroid. So here are 3 points. One point is this, second point is this, third point is this. Understood? And we have to find out then k equal to we have to find out. So, and then y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 is equal to that. Understood? So how can you find out this x1? 3 minus 7 plus 10 by 3 is equal to what? Is equal to k. So what's this implies? 13 minus 6 by 3 equal to k. What's implies? K equal to 2. What's the value of k? 2. Then k equal to C is your answer. One more method, directly y you can find out. 5 plus 4 minus k by 3 equal to minus 1. 9 minus k. 9 minus k equal to what? Minus 3. 9 minus k equal to this. So whose value is at k and minus 1? So what's the value of this k2 and what's the value of this k? One more k. Need not be find out. And if you want to find out 9 minus k equal to minus 3 minus k equal to 3 minus 9 minus k equal to minus 12, k equal to, I'm talking about this. Got? But here saying that if the points minus 2 and 1 is the centroid of triangle having vertices this, then x and y satisfying the relation. What's given? What's given? If the minus 2 and 1 are the centroid of the triangle, centroid meaning this is a point which is equidistant from this. This is O, A, B, C. Then O is the what? O are minus 2 and 1. Understood? And what are the coordinate of x? X 2, 10, 2. Next is minus 8 and y. You have to find out what you have to find out the relationship between x and y. So find out this formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 equal to x, where x is what? Coordinate of this point. So what's your x1? Minus 8 plus x plus 10 by 3 equal to minus 2. So what's it's become? Minus 8 2 plus x is equal to minus 6. So x is equal to minus 2 minus 6, x is equal to minus 8. Yes or no? Now find out what we have to find out, y. So y plus 1 sorry, y plus 2 by 3 equal to 1. So y plus 4 is equal to 3 and y equal to what? Y equal to 3 minus 4, y equal to minus 1. Y equal to minus 1. So what's the relationship? What's the relationship between this? X equal to minus 8, y equal to minus 1. X equal to 8 and y equal to minus 1. So what's the relationship between them? X minus x plus 8y equal to 0. Yes or no? Here not given. So once more we will check. X1 plus x2 plus x3 minus 8 plus 10 plus x by 3 is equal to minus 2. So how much left here? 2 plus x is equal to minus 6. 2 going in this side, this is become minus 8. Understood? Here check y plus 2 plus 2 by 3 equal to 1. Whose coordinate are minus 2 and 1? So what is this? So look one time, y plus 4 equal to 3, y equal to 3 minus 4, this is equal to 6. So this is its answer, x plus 8y. Here 3y given. What's given? 3y given. So that's not its answer. According to me, its answer is this. Understood? Another formula you can apply. Another formula, which formula? This is the formula. I can tell. This I told you. Then you can apply distance formula also. What's coming result from that? It may be possible. So distance from this to this, OA. What's OA equal to what? Under the root x plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 1 whole square, and OB equal to under the root 10 plus 2 12 square. This we can take, which is containing, what's containing? See OC. OC we can find out. OC equal to under the root minus 8 plus 2 minus 6 square plus y minus 1 whole square. Yes or no? In this way or not? So both are equal. Both are equal. So what's it's becoming? And then we can find out what's AC also. What's your AC? AC meaning under the root. This not finding. So we will find this. And what is OB? OB we will find out. What we will find out? OB. OB equal to under the root minus 2 minus 10. So minus 12 square plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 square. So we will put this, what? OA equal to OB. OA equal to OB. So this x plus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 144 plus 1. So what's it's become? X square plus 4 plus 4x plus 1 equal to 145. So what's it's become? X square plus 4x plus, bring in this side 140 is equal to 0. So find out the value of what? X square. How much factor is this? What's its factor? X square plus 20 into 16, 320, 15 into 11, not 15, 10 into 14, so 14x minus 10x minus 140 equal to 0. So what's it's coming? X take common, x plus 14 and what? Minus 10 x plus 14 equal to 0. So x plus 14 and x minus 10 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 14 or 10. Similarly, taking next part of it, what's taking? Next part of it. Next part mean this. Again, OC equal to, its meaning is what? 36 plus y square plus 1 minus 2y is equal to, again, 145, this. So how y square minus 2y, 36, 37 minus 100, how much? 108 equal to 0. 37 plus 8. So what are its factor? 10 8 is 80. 12 9 is 108. 12 9 is 108. So 4. What are its factor? So y square minus 18, 16, not 12, 10, 120. So what's coming? Otherwise, directly we can find out, no problem. This also we can find out. So what's your y? So y equal to minus b, minus mean 2 plus minus b square 4 minus 4 plus 1 into 108 by 2 a is 1. So what's its meaning? Y equal to 2 plus minus how much? 4 plus 432. It's meaning by 2. Y equal to 2 plus minus 436 by 2. What's its factor? 436. 2 2 ja 4. So not coming. What's coming? Not coming. So what we can say, we can find out by that method. Which method? That already told you. Told you or not? So centroid of the triangle is this. So it's create a problem for us. So we will apply this. Which method? First one. So show this, I will tell you. So how can this is the this A, B, C. A is what? X2. B is what? tan 2. And C is what? Minus 8. And this is Y. I have taken this. So I am telling this. So applying which method? This method we can apply. So this method we can apply. So what's that already told you? What I told you already? This coordinate of the centroid is what? Minus 2 and minus. Centroid of this minus 2 and this. So formula is this. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 is equal to minus 2. What's your x1? X plus 10. It may be problem in our calculation. See, this is minus 8. This is minus 8 by 3 equal to minus 2. What's it become? X plus 2 equal to minus 2. 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So what's it's coming? So this is coming here written x minus 3, 5 and 2. So this is written, so what's it's coming? X plus 2 is equal to minus 6, x is equal to minus 6 minus 2, so x is equal to minus 8. Understood? If you answer need from dig, then in place of 10, what's coming? 5 coming. So what's x equal to minus 8? Y you can find out. What's your y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 equal to 1. So what's your y1? This we have written 2 plus what written? This 2 plus y by 3 equal to 1. So what's it's become? 4 plus y by 3 equal to 1. So y equal to 4 plus y equal to 3. So y equal to 3 minus 4. How much? Minus 1. Got it? So x equal to minus 8, y equal to minus 1. So if I can write x minus 8y, then it's become 0. Check one time. X equal to minus 8 into minus 1. So minus 8 plus 8, how much? 0. Understood? And if I can put here in place of this 5, so look one time. So this become x plus 5 minus 8 by 3 equal to minus 2. So it's become x minus 3 by 3 equal to minus 2. So x minus 3 equal to minus 6. So x equal to minus 6 plus 3. What's coming? Minus 3. What's coming? Minus 3. What's coming? Minus 3. Then we can say, then what we can say? Then it's some changing in it. What's in changing? Some changing. Understood? What are the coordinate of A here? So in change in it is this. So not in answer in it. So what's your answer? Your answer is x minus 8y equal to 0. Understood? Next, the coordinate of the fourth vertex of rectangle formed by the points. So this is a rectangle formed. Rectangle, you know what's rectangle? Whose opposite side are equal and whose opposite side are parallel. So we have taken this 0, 0. What are the coordinates? This 2, 0. What are the coordinates of this 0, 3? What are the coordinates of this point? We can say x and y. So rectangle is also a parallelogram. Rectangle is also a parallelogram. So its diagonal also bisect. So O, if we are taking, what's the coordinate of O? 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 0, 3 by 2. These are the coordinate of A. And according to this, x plus 2 by 2 equal to 0. So x plus 2 equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 2. Similarly, y plus 0 equal to 3 by 2. Not understood? A point whose coordinate are 0, 0. C's point whose coordinate are 0 and 3. So 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal 0 by something 0. So 0 I have written. 0 plus 3, 3 by 2 I have written. Then finding out the coordinate of whose coordinate of this point. Which point? This point by this diagonal dB. This is a point which intersecting. Which point? This point. This is 0. So what's its meaning? This plus this. X plus 2 by 2 equal to 0. Understood? So x plus 2 is equal to what? 0. So x equal to minus 2. What's the value of x? Y find out. Y plus 0 by 2 equal to 3 by 2. So y plus 0 is equal to 3, y equal to 3. So what's y coordinate? Here 3. Only in this 3. So C is our answer. What's our answer? C. Question number 45. The ratio in which line segment joining this. This is the line segment P whose coordinate are x1, y1. Try to understand. Q whose coordinate are x2, y2. The ratio in which the line segment, we are saying this divide into k raised to 1. The ratio in which the line segment joining this x1, y1, x2, y2 is divided by the x-axis. X-axis dividing this. So what are the coordinate of x-axis? This is 0. What is this? 0. So what we can say? What we can say? We can find out what we can find out. First, its one coordinate is 0. Its one coordinate is 0. So find out what? Find out x equal to k. This 0 we are finding out. This 0 equal to k y2, k y2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. Bring in this sides. So k y2 plus y1 is equal to 0. So y2 is equal to what? K y2 is minus y1. And what's the value of k? K value is minus 1 by y2. Got? So here find out x. X is equal to k x2 plus 1 into x1 by k plus 1. Understood? So what is this? This is showing what's the value of k. K value is what? This. So x is equal to k y1 by y2 into x2 plus x1 divided by minus y1 by y2 plus 1. So what's your x? X is equal to minus y1 x2 plus y2 x1 divided by minus y1 plus y2 divided by y2. y2 cancel y2 this. Got or not? So in which ratio? This method it's become difficult. What's ratio? Sorry, this ratio is this. This need not be find out. We have to find out the ratio in which divide. So k value what's coming? K value minus y1 by y2. This need not be find out. So what's minus y1 by y2 raised to 1. So minus y1 raised to y2. So what's your answer? This is B is your answer. Got? This need not be find directly, we can say. Then another one. This is a line segment, point A, whose coordinate are A1, B1. This is coordinate A2 and this is B2. And this is a point which is lying on y-axis meaning 0 and y. We are saying this divide in this ratio. So by section formula we know, what we know? 0 equal to k A2 plus 1 into A1 divided by k plus 1. Coming in this side, 0 becomes, so equal to 0 k A2 plus A1. So transfer in this sides, k A2 is equal to minus A1. So this implies k equal to minus A1 by A2. So ratio is this. So minus A1 by A2 ratio 1. So this is minus A1 raised to A2. Is given in there anywhere in this answer? Yes, first one given. So this is our answer. One trick also I want to tell. If here saying y-axis, here saying y-axis, these x-axis you can take. First one negative, second one positive. Ratio, sorry. Directly I am telling. This question check one time. X-axis saying, it's meaning we have to take these. y1 raised to y2 and first one is negative. Telling or not? Understood? Next. If the coordinate of one end of the diameter, we are having a circle, same question. Diameter is always passed through the center of the circle. If one end of diameter of circle are 2 and 3, and the coordinate of the center is minus 2, and this is 5, then the coordinate of other end we can say xy. Formula you know, midpoint, x plus 2 divided by 2 equal to minus 2. So what's your x? X plus 2 is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 minus 2. X is equal to minus 6. X is equal to minus 6. So these two are not your answer. So then find out 3 plus y by 2 equal to 5. 3 plus y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 minus 3. How much? 7. So minus 6 and 7 are your answers. Got or not? The distance of a point from the origin is understood. So the distance of the point, which point? This is having x-axis is here. How much here? Whose coordinate are minus 6 and this. And from the origin. This is how much? This is how much distance from the x-axis? 8 unit. This is 6 unit. This is become right angle triangle. So our triangle is like this. This angle is 90 degree. This is 8 unit and this is 6 unit as given in it. So what's 8 8 the 64, 6 36, 100 under the root, how much? 10. Distance is always positive. That's why we are saying how much it's your answer. This is your answer. Not understood? Beta saying this is this. There is a point whose coordinate minus 6 and 8. Minus 6 meaning negative part of the x-axis. Its distance from the y-axis how much? 6 unit. Join this. And y-axis equal to 8, meaning its distance from the x-axis is 8. And if you can solve, then this is coming 10 units. Understood? So this is given. A, B and C are the vertices of a triangle ABC. A 4, 9, B 2, 3, C 6, 5 are the vertices of triangle. Then the length of the median through C. Where is C? C is this. So this is median. Median meaning this point is the midpoint of it. So what are the coordinate of this? This plus this by 2, 3. This plus this 6. And how much distance between this? 6 minus 3, 3 square 9, and 6 minus 5, 1 under the root. So under 10. So which is your answer? B is your answer. How can in this way? This is, we have to taken this as a D. So CD equal to this formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So what's your x2? CDOD minus COC. So 3 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 5 whole square. What is this? This is equal to minus 3 whole square plus 1 whole square. So what is this? 9 plus 1, which is into 10. Already I told you. Got? Next. PQRS is a parallelogram. P Q R S 5 and Y. Same process which I told you. First find out this. Diagonal bisect each other. So this is the midpoint. So first finding out midpoint, this 3 plus 2, 5 by 2, 6 plus 4 and 5. By this y plus 5 by 2 equal to how much? 3. Yes or no? Are the vertices of a parallelogram PQRS, then the value of y? What's the value of y? Diagonal bisect each other. Diagonal bisect each other. So what's it's become? 3 plus 2, 5. PQRS. So 3 plus 2. Finding out this. Otherwise, another method applying. In last question, another method. Here we can find out what we can find out. PQ we can find out. Under the root S. PQ not PS we can find out. Equal to 2 minus 5 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. And what is QR? QR equal to under the root 3 minus 0, 9, 6 minus 3, 9, which is equal to under root 18. So PS equal to QR. So it's meaning under the root 2 minus 5, 3, 3, 9 plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to under the 18. Squaring both sides, 9 plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 18. 9 plus y square plus 16 minus 8y equal to 18. 25 take in that side, so y square minus 8y plus 25 minus 18 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So what's coming? This is coming y square minus 8y plus 7 equal to 0. So y square minus 7y minus y plus 7 equal to 0. What's common? Y minus 7 minus 1, y minus 7 equal to 0. So what's coming? Y minus 1 and y minus 7. So what's your answer? Y minus 1 equal to 0. So y equal to 1 or y equal to 7. So what's given? 7 given. So 7 is our answer. Understood? One more question we solved here. This one. This one. This one. So I told its answer. You can apply here also. Here also we can apply this method. Then also easily we can find out. The parameter of triangle whose vertex are these, easily you can find out. A 0, 4, B 0, 0, C 3, 0. So first what we will find out? AB. What's your AB? 0 minus 0, 0 minus 4. It's meaning 16. Under the root 16 equal to 4. Then find out BC. BC equal to 0 minus 3, 9. Under the root how much? 3. Then find out AC. 3 minus 0, 9. 16. How much? Under root 25, which is equal to 5. What's their parameter? AB plus BC plus AC. 4 plus 3 plus 5, how much? 12 units. What's its answer? This. What's its answer? 12. If a point P lies on this A equal to 4, 2, P is a point whose coordinates are 2 and 1, and this is B whose coordinates are 8 and 4. So we have to tell this K raised to 1 we are saying. What's dividing? K raised to 1. So what we can say? 2 equal to what's coming? K into 8 plus 1 into 4 by K plus 1. So 2 equal to what's coming? 8K plus 4 by K plus 1. K plus 1 bring in this side 2K plus 2 equal to 8K plus 4. So take in this side 2 minus 4 equal to 8K minus 2K. What's 2K? So minus 2 equal to 6K. It's meaning K equal to minus 2 by 6. It's meaning 1 raised to 3. Minus 1 raised to 3 you can say. So what? So it's meaning 1 raised to 3. So what's its meaning? AP equal to 1 by 3 of what? BP. Its meaning is this or not? This is 1 raised to 3. It's meaning 3 parts here, 1 part here. So total what? Total what's become? Total become, we have to find in the form of AP in the form of BP. AP, so what's AP plus BP is equal to AB? Yes or no? So what's your AP? AP is 1 by 3 BP plus BP is equal to what? AB. AP we have to find out, sorry. What we have to find out? AP. So I can write, so AP plus 3AP is equal to AB. So 4AP equal to AB. So AP equal to 1 by 4AB. Not given answer in it. So this is the ratio. According to me, this AP equal to 1 by 3 BP coming here. Another way you can check, this we have taken, sorry, one mistake is there. No, there is no mistake. So 1 equal to 4K, K into 4 plus 2 by K plus 1. Bring in this side, K plus 1 equal to 4K plus 2. Bring in this side, what's it's become? 1 equal to 4K minus K minus, sorry, this is coming plus minus 2. So what's 3K is equal to what? Minus 1. It's meaning K equal to minus 1 by 3. Again same coming, here also 1 by minus 1 by 3 coming, here also minus 1 by 3 coming. So it's this ratio. If answer need in AB, otherwise we can say AP equal to 1 by 3 BP. So that's why I'm saying here AP, then here coming BP. And if in the form of AB, then AP equal to 1 by 4 BP, sorry, AB. And BP is equal to 3 by 4 AP. This divide 1 raised to 3. Understood? In next question also related to this, we have to find out this. Divide the line segment joining the points. A points whose ratio 2 and minus 2. And B minus 7 and 4. In which ratio? 1 raised to 2. And what are the coordinate of this point? K and 0. It's meaning this point lying on the x-axis. So we have to find out what's the value of this K equal to 1 into minus 7. It's multiplication with this. It's multiplication with this. Plus what's 2 into 2 divided by what's 1 plus 2. So K equal to minus 7 plus 4 by 3. So K equal to what? Minus 3 by 3. So what's the value of K? K equal to minus 1. Where given? D part B. Simple formula we have to use in it. No problem related to this. Easily we can solve. A line intersect y-axis and x-axis at point P and Q. So like this, look one time. And one line, this is intersecting like this. A line intersect the y-axis and x-axis at point P. This is point P, this is point Q. If 2 and minus 5 is the midpoint of Q, this is minus 2 and this is 5 is the midpoint of this. What's given? What are the coordinate of this? 0 and y. What are the coordinate here? X and 0. Then the coordinate of P and Q. Easily you can find out 0 plus X by 2. 0 plus X by 2 equal to -2. So what are the coordinates? X equal to -4. Anywhere X equal to -4. X equal to what? -4. Where this? So what are the coordinate of this point? -4 and 0. If multiple choice doing in competitive exam, directly say this is the answer. And if here, then what? Y plus 0 by 2 equal to 5. So y equal to 10. So what are the coordinate of this? Here 0 and 10. So I told you this answer already. If the point lies on a circle whose center is at the origin and radius is 5, then find out the, if the point, we are having a circle, this is a circle whose radius is how much? 5 unit, and center is at the origin, so coordinate of the center is 0, 0, and our coordinate are what? X and 4. X and 4. Then find out the value of, so distance, this is A, this is B. So AB equal to what? Under the root x minus 0 x square plus 4 minus 0 16. And what's your AB? 5 equal to this x square plus 16. Squaring both sides, 25 equal to x square plus 16. So 25 minus 16 equal to x square. So 9 equal to x square. So what's your x? Plus minus 3. Anywhere given plus minus 3? Yes, given. This is. Got or not? So it's like this. This origin is this. So here also one more point whose coordinate are -3 and 0. So that's why plus minus came here. If circle pass through this point 3, then pass through this -3 also. So again like this same question repeating. ABCD is what? Square. And square is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal and each angle is equal to 90 degree, and all square are parallelogram, so diagonal also bisect each other, and this angle 90 degree, then this also we can find out. So what's A point whose coordinate are 5 and P? B is a point whose coordinates are 1 and 5. C is a point whose coordinates are 2 and 1, and D is a point whose coordinates are 6 and 2. So how can we find out? How can we find out? So two methods by which we can find out this question. How many methods? Two. Which I can tell you. One time you can guess. You can guess. So one is by distance formula we can find out, other we can find out like this and this. This is the midpoint of this. So what are this? 5 plus 2, 7 by 2. Other is what? P plus 1 by 2. And according to BD, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 is this. 5 plus 2, 7 by 2. So P plus 1 by 2 equal to 7 by 2. So P plus 1 equal to 7 and P equal to 7 minus 1. How much? 6. This is your answer. Understood? If solving in competitive exam, another what? Another beta, this I have taken AB. What I have taken? AB I have taken. AB equal to under the root 5 minus 1, 4, 16 plus P minus 5 whole square. Then find out AD. AD equal to what? AD not BC we can find out. Or AD we can find out, then also we can compare AD 6 minus 5 1 square plus 2 minus P whole square. We can compare this like this or not? Yes. Both are equal. So under root 16 plus P minus 5 whole square is equal to 1 plus 2 minus P whole square. So 16 plus P minus 5 whole square equal to 1 plus 2 minus P whole square. But this is easy one. 16 plus P square plus 25 minus 10P equal to 1 plus 4 plus P square minus 4P. P square cancel P square. It's meaning 41 minus 10P is equal to 5 minus 4P. Take in that side. So 36 equal to minus 4P plus 10P. So 36 is equal to 6P and P equal to 36 divided by 6. How much? 6. Any you can apply. Both are easy. But this one is easy one. The coordinate of the circumcenter of a triangle formed by this are this. So we are having a circumcenter. Circumcenter meaning like this. So this. The circumcenter of a triangle formed by the points O. Found by the points O. O we have taken 0, 0. B we have taken A and 0. B, how much? 0P. This is the point. This is the point. So what we have to find out? Let the coordinate of this point are X and Y. What are the coordinate of this point? X and Y. So this is the point. When we are taking this point become this. What's this? So what you can say about this point? We can say L you can take, what maybe you can take. So OL equal to under the root X square plus Y square. So what is OA? OA equal to what? X minus A whole square plus what? Y square. So put these both are equal. So under root X square plus Y square equal to under the root X square minus A whole square plus Y square. So what's this? Squaring both sides. X square plus A square. X square plus A square minus 2AX plus Y square. Cancel out. cancel out. So a square minus 2ax is equal to 0. A take common, a minus, a taken common, a minus 2x is equal to 0. So a minus 2x is equal to 0 minus 2x minus a x is equal to this, cancel this, a by 2. What? A by 2. So where a by 2? Directly we can say this is its answer, if doing in competitive exam. Otherwise, finding out this also. So BL equal to under the root x square plus y minus b whole square, and this is equal to what? X square plus y square. Squaring x square, y square, b square, 2by, x square plus y square, this cancel this cancel this. So b take common, b minus 2y equal to 0. So b equal to 0 or b minus 2y equal to 0. So b equal to 2y, and what's your y? b by 2. So what are the coordinates of this point in the form of this? A by 2 and b by 2. So this is circumcenter, meaning its distance from the vertices remains same. Yes or no? Next, the coordinate of a point on the x-axis which lies on the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining these points. So we are saying, what are the coordinates of this point? We are saying, again I can repeat this. So what's given? So we are having this. This is A, whose coordinates are 7 and 6, B, whose coordinate minus 3 and 4. And this is a perpendicular bisector, this point, whose coordinate are we are taking x and y. What's taking? X and y. But this point, coordinate point x-axis, on the x-axis, so it's meaning y must 0 here. So y is must 0 here. So y 0 meaning this also out, this also out. So what we can do, this is the perpendicular bisector, meaning divide into two equal parts. It means 7 minus 3 by 2 by 2. In this way solving. Otherwise, another method we can apply according to its answer. If you are applying this method, answer not coming, this is point, we can take what? We can take P. So what's your AP? What's your AP? So 7 minus x whole square plus 6 minus 0, 6 square under the root. BP equal to what? Under the root minus 3 minus x whole square plus 4 minus 0, 4 square. Both are equal. AP equal to BP. So what's it imply? Under the root 7 minus x whole square plus 36 is equal to under the root minus 3 minus x whole square plus 16. Squaring both sides. So 7 minus x whole square plus 36 is equal to minus 3 minus x whole square plus 16. Solve it. 49 plus x square minus 14x plus 36 is equal to 9 plus x square plus 6x plus 16. X square cancel x square. 49 plus 36, 70, 85. How much? 85 minus 14x is equal to 25 plus 6x. How much? 85 minus 20. 85 minus 25 equal to 6x plus 14x. How much? 60 equal to 20x. So what's the value of x? 60 by 20. How much? 3. So x coordinate how much? 3. What's the value of this? This is its answer. Got? The length of the line segment joining the point, the length of the line segment joining the point A and B. So this is given A whose coordinates are 2, minus 3 and B coordinates whose abscissa given, this is 10 and this is we can say Y, and total units how much? This. Then the ordinate can be ordinate, meaning what's the value, possible value of y. So what we can say, AB equal to under the root 2 minus 10 whole square plus minus 3 minus y whole square, AB equal to 10. So this is equal to minus 8 whole square plus minus 3 minus y whole square, squaring both side 100 is equal to 64 plus minus 3 minus y whole square, 100 equal to 64 plus 9 plus y square minus 6y. If you can solve it, so what's it's become? Y square minus 6y plus 73 minus 100 equal to 0. So y square minus 6y minus 27 equal to 0. So y square minus 9y plus 3y minus 27 equal to 0. First step right, sum is minus 6, product is equal to this. Second step also right. So y minus 9 plus 3, y minus 9, 0. So y minus 9 and y plus 3 equal to 0. So meaning y equal to 9 and minus 3. Anywhere 9 and minus 3. B is your answer. What's your answer? B. Understood? All is easy. So this one also check if the line segment, what line segment, this is a line segment joining the point A 3 and 4, B 1 and 2, this is the point P whose coordinates are A and minus 2, Q whose coordinates are 5 by 3 and B. So P divide this in this ratio, 1 raised to 2. P divides P 1 raised to 2. So what we have to find out? Value of A. So A is the x coordinate of P is equal to 1 into 1 plus what's 2 into 3, 6 divided by 1 plus 2, 3. Understood? So what's it's become? A equal to 1 plus 6 by 3. So A equal to 7 by 3. A value 7 by 3. only in one given. So this is our answer. Similarly, we can find out this Q point. Q point, divide this in 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to 1. So 2 into 2 plus 1 into 4 by 3 equal to B. Equal to B. So what's the value of B? What's the value of B? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. This is not coming. B is this. So this is the point which divide this in this ratio. What's ratio? This ratio. So erase this. This is the point. This divide in which ratio? 2 raised to 1. So this B equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 into 4 by 2 plus 1, 3. So B equal to 4 plus 4 by 3, 8 by 3. Anywhere given B equal to 8 by 3. But A is right, so that's why we can say this is its answer. Which one is its answer? This one. Which one is its answer? This one. So this is question number 60. 61, the distance between this point and this point. Directly we can tell. So both points lying on the y-axis. So this is the y-axis. One point is the positive part, one point is negative part. So how much its distance? How much? Sorry. One on x-axis, other on y-axis. One on x-axis. So we are taking like this. One point is lying here, whose coordinates 0 or 205, and one point is here, whose coordinates are minus 205 and 0. And we have to find out this distance. What we have to find out? This distance. So this is how much? This is distance from the x-axis, this 205. This distance from the y-axis, this also 205. This negative showing in the negative direction. So this is OAB. So what we can say? AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. So AB square is equal to OA 205 whole square plus 205 whole square. So AB square 4 into 5 plus 4 into 5. 2 to the 4, 105 coming. AB square equal to what? 20 plus 20. So AB square is equal to 14 units. So AB equal to under the root 40. Under root 40. Under root 40 we can write like this: 2 into 2 into 10. So 2 coming outside, 2 under root 10. Anywhere given, 2 under root 10 is its answer. So this given, so this is its answer. This directly you can solve. The distance of the point. Distance of the point minus 1 and 7. It's meaning this is x coordinate is distance from the y-axis, y coordinate meaning its distance from the x-axis. So you have to find out the distance of this point from the y-axis. So this point, where lying? -1 here, and this is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this point. And this is lying like this. This is the point whose coordinate -1 and 7. So its distance from the x-axis, how much? 7 unit. And if saying distance from the y-axis, then how much unit is this? 1 unit. Understood? So this is all about this multiple choice questions. I told you, if anywhere problem, tell me. One comments related to the question number 16. Question number 16. So I will tell that question. So where is the question number 16? So I will check. So this is coming here. This is question number 16. Question number 16. Again, I can repeat. Some students saying, tell this. Anyone saying, a line segment of length 10 unit. A line segment is of length 10 unit if coordinates of its one end are this and the abscissa is 10 units. So this is like this. So comments coming that now I understood what question number 16 and question number today we have start 41, both are same. Its meaning is this. So question number what? 41. So where given? We are talking 41, 42. So which question is that? So where gone? So which one is that question? I don't know, but that's telling right repetition of that question. So these both questions are same. So thanks for telling. So I have told you these multiple choice questions, some are repetition also. So sorry for that, but I solved again that questions. So you will also try to solve these also. If you will able to solve these, it's meaning you will able to get full marks in the exam. Because multiple choice question telling the level of the students, how much he or she understand that questions. So you can solve this from tomorrow. We will start next portion of the maths. We can say that what case study or any other type of questions. We have solved 60 questions related to this chapter multiple choice. So thank you all of you. Best of luck.